Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Granville County, northern Wake County, Durham County, west central Franklin County, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Durham, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Creedmoor, Wake Forest, Butner, Franklinton, RDU International, Morrisville, and Roseville. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Franklin, Granville, and Wake.